Our next door neighbour had their roof done, and basically we went round and had a look, didn't we?
Yeah.
And we were happy with what was going on, so we decided that we'd have a look at having ours done. You know, we'd have a conservatory up for 15 years, so we decided, right, let's have a look at it. No, we didn't look anywhere else. No, we because we'd seen what was going on and we were happy. Then we were quite happy to, you know, we did actually go and get another price from somewhere else, but we managed to do a deal with TWS, so that was that really. We didn't have to do anything anyway. Whatever TWS did everything that we needed. We didn't have to go anywhere and, you know, apply for anything. For 3 days, up and out and done. You know, no problem whatsoever. More than happy with the service, weren't we? They came and I think there were one little hiccup, but it was absolutely throwing it down, wasn't it? And I think we had the conversation, don't even bother turning up today. You know, they got it watertight in the day, didn't they? I think we paid half of it up front, and then I think we put the other half on 0%, didn't we?
Yeah.
Which were good. You know, it meant that we could sort of enjoy it while, you know, instead of having to save the whole lot, you know, so we put half down. And then we decided to knock through. That was an afterthought, but once we'd already put it up, that we were going to take the patio doors out and have it open plan. And the first morning we came down, we were a little bit worried because we thought it was February, March time. Will it be cold? Will it have made the whole house cold? But we were pleasantly surprised. It's come right through okay, and it's been a godsend really.